Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make film style wallpaper for your phone on EPIK photo editor. So in EPIK, there is a template that is like a film style. When you want to create a wallpaper for your phone, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, open your EPIK and then go to template, and then here add the category find film. So this one's right here, and then you can see there are so many film style wallpaper that you can choose. For example, you want to use okay, so I'm going to, for example, this one's right here. So just click on use, and then you can just choose any photo that you want to adjust or add as your wallpaper. So for example, this one's right here, just click on a photo and it will be automatically applied on the template like this. So just wait. Okay, so it might take a while, so you can just wait. Okay, so just like this, and if you are satisfied with the result, you can just download the photo and it will be saved to your album. And after that, you can go to your gallery and set it as your wallpaper. Okay, so this one's right here, I'm gonna set it, for example, as my wallpaper home screen, and just like that it will be applied to my gallery, to my phone. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.